Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You act fast, lock onto facts and people. Note last altitude, heading, and the exact time signal dropped so you know where to start. Once done, power a second phone with the app and enable its compass. You need directional confirmation. Make sure to recruit one helper and agree on voice signals. Then mark a search zone in a 50 to 200 meter grid radiating from the home point, because systematic coverage beats random wandering when GPS is unavailable. You combine senses and tools now. Begin an audio sweep. Headphones on, slow arcs, pausing to determine direction by louder motor or beeper. At the same time, scan at the drone's likely flight altitude and lower, rooftops, tree canopies, and hedgerows, because drones often snag or fall nearby. Once you suspect a direction, use your transmitter or a directional antenna and rotate it. The signal strength crescendo tells you which way to walk, so follow increasing signal levels steadily. You complete the find by approaching slowly and visually confirming the aircraft. Kneel and stabilize it before picking up to avoid further damage. If you still can't find it, retrace the last flight path and expand downwind and downhill, because winds and gravity move wreckage. Make sure to sweep with a low-angle flashlight and use a small mirror to catch reflective components. If audio and signal both fail, search methodically by grid until you cover the planned area. One tip, check tree crotches and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.